part 7 video on community health nursing syllabus for the GNM first year students. Okay, in this we are going to focus on the health assessment of one postnatal mothers. Okay, postnatal mothers means after delivery of mother up to 1 year of age group we are called as the postnatal mothers. Okay, after delivery up to 1 year we are called as the postnatal mothers. Okay, here first we are going to do the some health assessment for the postnatal women. Okay, in this the postnatal women means the mother is having newborn babies. Okay, the mother is undergone the delivery. The delivery is the episiotomy or the this cesarean section. Okay na, lower section cesarean section or upper segment cesarean section, LSCS or USCS or episiotomy. Okay, the mother is having some delivery. Okay, the mother having some neonate or infants. Okay, in this the postnatal health especially we do the physical examination of postnatal mothers. Okay, by our sense organs we should do the assessment like uterine involution. Okay, uterine involution means okay, in a normal state, okay, there is no pregnancy, the mother uterine state will be anteversion. Okay, in this the mother uterus should be small size will be there. Okay, at the time of pregnancy the mother uterus will be this elastic, elongated. Okay, na? The size of uterus will be increase. Why? Because in mother womb, in the uterus, the fetal growth and development will be there. That's why as like balloon, when we will push some air into the balloon should be enlarged, no? Like that the uterus also enlarge when the fetal present in the mother womb. Okay, after delivery, okay, after delivery the uterus should be normal state. That one we are called as the uterine involution. ఓకే నా, బెలూన్లో గాలి మనం పంపిస్తున్నప్పుడు దాని యొక్క సైజ్ ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది కదా, అలాగే మదర్ ఓంబులో ఫీటస్ ఉన్నప్పుడు, ఫీటల్ యొక్క గ్రోత్ అండ్ డెవలప్మెంట్ ఉన్నప్పుడు యూటరైన్ స్ట్రక్చర్ షుడ్ బి ఎలాంగేటెడ్. ఆఫ్టర్ డెలివరీ ఆఫ్ ద మదర్ ద యూటరైన్ స్ట్రక్చర్ షుడ్ బి డిక్రీజ్. దట్ ప్రాసెస్ we are called as the uterine involution. Okay, the uterine involution will be there normal or any abnormalities is there, that will be assessed. Okay, sometimes the uterine involution not completed. Why? Because some of that bleeding particles or some blood particles or some types of this fetal parts will be remains in the mother womb. The time the bleeding problems and this uterine involution problems also arise. That will be assessed by doing the postnatal health assessment of one postnatal mothers. Okay, next needs of lactating mother. Lactating mother means the mother is going to give breastfeeding to their children. ఓకే నా, పాలు ఇచ్చు తల్లులు అంటారు కదా, వాళ్ళని లాక్టేటింగ్ మదర్స్ అంటారు. ఓకే, వాట్ ఈస్ దేర్ నీడ్స్ ఆఫ్ లాక్టేటింగ్ మదర్స్? Okay, she is going to give breast milk to their babies, no? That's why she has to take a special nutritious diet. Okay na, for improving their health and for protecting this newborn's health. Okay, what is their needs? That will be assessed. Okay, in this the mother is having the some health like what is that health education. We are going to give health education, how to care of newborn babies. Okay, if the mother is primigravida means there is no experience of to provide care to the newborns. Okay, first time pregnant mother అయ్యుండి ఫస్ట్ టైం డెలివరీ అయినటువంటి మదర్కి న్యూబోర్న్ బేబీస్కి ఎలాంటి కేర్ ఇవ్వాలో తెలీదు. That's why as a community health nurse we should give some health education, how to take care of newborn babies. Okay, now how to give breastfeeding to their fetus newborns. Okay, that process also explained what is the importance of breast milk, what is the importance of yellowish colostrum milk. Okay, regarding that also we should give some health education for the postnatal mothers. Okay, next what is the mother condition? The mother is normal or having any abnormalities after delivery. Okay, next what is the posture and what is the facial expressions of mother? Why? Because she is suffering with the some pain internally, means their expressions also change. Okay, the mother having happiness in internally, means their expressions also good. That's also assess. Next, as a community health nurse, we should assess the vital signs of an mother. Okay, is there any abnormalities in the vital signs, like temperature is raised, or pulse is raised, or respiration is raised, or blood pressure is raised? Okay, or sometimes there is no abnormality, means normal body temperature, normal pulse rate, normal respiration, normal blood pressure. Okay, that will be check and record. Okay, if increase means give treatment, if normal means we should give some preventive precautions, how to reduce the diseases. Next, abdominal examination. Okay, in abdominal examination, is there any tumor formation or any hardness, or the abdomen is normal, or what is there any changes that will be assessed? Okay, as a community health nurse, we should assess the breast examination of a mother. Why? Because the newborn babies, the infants are going to suck the breast milk from the mother. That's why we should assess any infection or any problems will be there in the breast, that will be assessed. Okay, next uterine examination. Okay, the uterus size, structure, or uterus having any infection, that will be also assessed. Next one is the bladder examination. The mother is going to excrete or providing normal urine, or sometimes any retention of urine, that will also assess after delivery. Okay, next one is the laboratory examination. Okay, in laboratory examination we should do the blood examination. Okay, the blood percentage, hemoglobin percentage is sufficient or not, or sometimes we should do the urine examination. Why? Because sometimes the mother after delivery, the mother suffering with the urine infections. Okay, that will also assess, and any infection will be there, means we should administer the antibiotics. Okay, for prevention of urine infection of an postnatal mothers. Okay, next one is the psychological response. The mother having any psychological distress, or any emotions will be there, that will be assessed. Why? Because psychological response, for example, multipara mother will be there. Okay, in multipara mother, the mother is having 3 girl child. Okay, in 3 times of pregnancy, she has 3 girls child. Okay, in 4th time of pregnancy, she has full attention, full love and affection. I am going to give birth to the boy baby, like that she has some intention in their internal. Okay, unfortunately the mother in 4th pregnancy again girl child will be there, means the mother has some psychological stress. Okay, psychological stress, psychological emotions will be there, psychological disturbance will be there in the mothers. Okay, sometimes the mother should not take care of newborn girl baby. Why? Because 4 girls will be there, no, number of girls will be there, no, that's why they are not receive their girl child. Okay, they are suffering with the some psychological stress, psychological depression. Okay, like that, that postnatal stress also will be there after delivery. Okay, sometimes in primary gravida mother, there are fear on surgeries. Okay, cesarean section paina baga fear undadam valla they are having some psychological stress. Okay, the mother not tolerate this cesarean section pains. Okay, is there any unhealthy or abnormalities that will be assessed. Okay, next one is the acceptancy of baby or not, that will be assessed. Okay, next another one, that is the care of newborn babies. Okay, at the after delivery, what is the care of newborn babies? The newborn baby having the, what is their normal body temperature, what is their pulse rate, what is their respiration rate. Okay, the organs after birth, the newborns does not depends on the mother. Why? Because in 9 months of pregnancy period, the newborn completely depends upon their mother. Okay, after delivery, after birth, the newborn's organs will be work self. Okay, does not depends. Okay, the newborns is able to suck milk, or the newborns is able to cry. Okay, the newborns is able to take respiration. Okay, the newborns is actively avoiding urination. Okay, that will be assessed. Next, how to improve the health care of newborns. Okay, that will be assessed. Next, last step, that is the dependent phase. Means in this dependent phase, the mother after delivery completely depends upon assistance. Why? Because she has some physiological changes in their body. Okay, now due to that she has to take some special care or special some rest up to 6 months. Okay, that's why the mother, postnatal mother, completely depends on the assistants. That's why we are called as the, in this phase, dependent phase. Okay, delivery అయిన తర్వాత ఆ యొక్క మదర్కి some pains will be there. That's why she has to complete depends upon the assistants. Okay, she is not able to provide special care to their newborns. Why? Because some physiological changes will be there on the postnatal mothers. Okay, next last step, that is the bonding with the newborns. Okay, this is also third phase. In this bonding with the newborns, the mother is able to give breast milk to the newborns. Okay, for improving the newborns health, for protecting the newborns health, and for prevention of diseases, for promotion of newborns health. Okay, in this step the mother compulsory provide kangaroo mother care. Okay, KMC. Okay, for improving the health of the newborn babies. Okay, next last step, that is the adverse response. Okay, in this examination, okay, total period of postnatal examination or health assessment of an postnatal mother, is there any abnormalities? Okay, that abnormalities should be listed out. Okay, that disabilities should be listed out, and as a community health nurse we should give some health education. Okay, how to reduce their health problem. Okay, how to improve their health, how to control diseases. Okay, how to maintenance of health after delivery, which type of food she has to take. Okay, after delivery, which type of care she has to provide newborns, that will be give some awareness to the postnatal mother by the community health nurse. Okay, especially in this we should give some awareness regarding what immunization schedule. Okay, what is the importance of immunization. ఓకే, వ్యాధి నిరోధక టీకాల యొక్క ఇంపార్టెన్స్ గురించి ఈ యొక్క డెలివరీ మదర్స్కి మనము హెల్త్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఇవ్వాలి. ఓకేనా, దానివల్ల ద డిసీజెస్ విల్ బి ప్రివెంటెడ్ కంప్లీట్లీ. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈస్ ద హెల్త్ అసెస్మెంట్ ఆఫ్ పోస్ట్నేటల్ మదర్స్.